MCQs on fermenting milk, cheese production and answers. Which of the following is obtained by fermenting milk? Cheese is obtained by fermenting milk. Cheese is a product which is obtained from the fermentation of milk. It is available in a wide range of flavors and textures as soft cheese or hard cheese. It contains proteins and fat from the milk of cows, goat, buffalo or sheep. Which of the following leads to the formation of soft cheese? The answer is A, removal of small proportion of whey. The thumb rule is that whey gives softness to the cheese. More the whey is in the cheese, more will be the yield of the cheese, and more the yield of cheese, the cheese should have to be more economical. So the more whey, the more yield, and the whey gives softness. More whey, more yield and more softness. If more whey is removed, then there will be the more hardness. If there is more whey in the milk or the cheese, then it will be the more soft cheese. The question is, which of the following leads to formation of soft cheese? Soft cheese will be the less removal of or small removal of small proportion of whey. Clarification: the removal of small proportion of whey results in the formation of softer cheese, whereas the removal of large proportion of whey results in the formation of harder cheese. The greater the amount of whey removed, the smaller will be the yield of the cheese per unit of milk. The large holes in cheese are due to carbon dioxide production. The large holes in the cheese are due to the production of carbon dioxide by bacterium, especially Propionibacterium shermani, which is used in the production of cheese. This is particularly observed in Swiss cheese. Swiss cheese has larger holes due to the carbon dioxide. Which of the following is soft cheese? Cottage cheese is the softer cheese. You can remember it as chicken, cottage chicken, as the chicken is softer animal, so softer than other. So the cottage cheese means that the softer cheese. Cottage cheese is a type of soft cheese. It is made either with skim milk, whole milk or by adding cream. However, the addition of cream increases the smoothness of cheese and also improves its flavor and texture. Which of the following is a semi-hard cheese? Edam cheese. Edam cheese is a type of semi-hard cheese. It is originated in the Netherlands. The production starts by rennet coagulation and restriction of lactic acid production. It matures within 2 weeks and 9 months. Gouda cheese, Colbe cheese, Montesio cheese are few examples of semi-hard cheese. Rennet is the complex of enzymes in ruminants. Rennet is in the ruminants. Rennet is a complex set of enzymes that are provided in stomach of ruminants, and its key component is chymosin, which is protease enzyme. It is used in the production of cheese as it separates milk into curd and whey. Which of the following is a rennet free cheese? Kraft Philadelphia cream cheese. Rennet is used in the formation of cheese, but there is a type of cheese which is rennet free, that is the Kraft Philadelphia cream cheese. Kraft Philadelphia cream cheese is a type of cream cheese which do not consist of rennet. Rennet is obtained generally from the stomach of calves and is used in coagulation of milk. Gouda cheese, cheddar cheese and Parmesan cheese are rennet containing cheese. The optimum temperature for heating the curd is the room temperature. Room temperature is 38 degrees centigrade. The optimum temperature for heating of curd is 38 degrees centigrade. The temperature above 38 degrees centigrade, that may be 45 degrees centigrade or 11150, will destroy the culture which develop the flavor in cheese, so the flavor will not be in the cheese. French word for cheese is fromage. Fromage is French word for cheese, and Formaggio is Italian word, whereas the formaticum is the Latin word, referring to the shape or form given to the cheese in a mold. The curds are cut with curd cutter to remove whey. Whey is removed from the curds by the curd cutter. The curds are cut with curd cutter to remove the whey in order to prepare soft cheese. Less amount of whey is removed, and for the preparation of hard cheese, we have discussed that harder cheese has less whey and softer cheese has more whey. The composition of weight determines the softness and hardness of a cheese. More the weight, more soft is the cheese. Which of the following equipment is not required in the production of cheese? Transilluminator is not used, whereas thermometer, cheese vat, and cheese press are used in the production of cheese. Transilluminator is not used in is not the equipment required for production of cheese. Thermometer, cheese weight, cheese press, cheese molds, refrigerator, cutter, heat sealer, and scales are important equipment for cheese production. The fermentation of milk to form cheese is done by lactobacillus. Lactic acid is the acid of the milk, and lactobacillus is the bacteria for fermentation of the milk. And Saccharomyces, Aspergillus, and Penicillium, they are not bacteria, they are the fungi. The fermentation of milk requires lactobacillus species for the fermentation of cheese. It is used as the starter culture in the formation of curd. Saccharomyces, Aspergillus, Penicillium are genus belonging to kingdom fungi. They are not the bacteria. Romano cheese is a type of hard cheese. It is true. Romano cheese is a type of hard cheese and is salty in taste, so it will have less whey protein. They are suitable primarily for grunting and is similar to Pecorino Romano, from where it has got its name as the Romano cheese, the hard cheese. Cheddar cheese is a semi-solid cheese. Cheddar cheese is not the semi-solid cheese. This is false statement. Cheddar cheese is one of the family of semi-hard or hard cheese, including Cheshire and Gloucester, whose curd is cut, gently heated, piled, stirred before being pressed into foams. Colby and Monterey Jack are similar but milder cheeses. Their curd is rinsed before it is pressed, washing away some acidity and calcium.